this intraday strategy saved my accounts trading Euro USD. On the 1 minute, we have a lower high, second lower high, break of structure, downtrend, market creating a new high, identifying our uptrend using our trend line strategy, pull back to previous zones of support, aligning with our trend line and our area of confluence. Stop loss below, lower high, take profit, previous zones of resistance, we take our buy, risking around $190 to make $760. If you like to learn more of these setups, check out our ebook, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more trading tips like this.